Hello friends, welcome to Civil Engineering exam. Today we are going to see MCQs. The cover to the main reinforced may be reduced up to 1/3 of the specified cover but not less than option A 5 mm, option B 7 mm, option C 10 mm, option D 15 mm. The correct answer is option A 5 mm. The distance between rivet line and the nearest edge of the joint not exposed to weather is taken. Where is thickness in mm of the thinner outside plate? Option A 60, option B 80, option C 10T, option D 12T. The correct answer is option D 12T. The grade of plain concrete to be used in seawater or structures exposed to seawater should be option A M10, option B M15, option C M20, option D M30. The correct answer is option B M15. The reinforcing bars in beams are not bundled in contact if the diameter of bars exceeds option A 12 mm, option B 20 mm, option C 35 mm, option D 36 mm. The correct answer is option D 36 mm. For the reinforced concrete member totally immersed in seawater, the normal cover provided for reinforcing bars is further increased by option A 10 mm, option B 20 mm, option C 30 mm, option D 40 mm. The correct answer is option D 40 mm. In adverse circumstances, the reinforced concrete member immersed in seawater or subjected to sea spray, the maximum permissible cover for the reinforcing bars should not exceed option A 40 mm, option B 50 mm, option C 60 mm, option D 75 mm. The correct answer is option D 75 mm. If a column is subjected to dead load and superimposed load only, the maximum ratio should not be greater than option A 180, option B 250, option C 350, option D 400. The correct answer is option A 180. The designed transverse shear in lacing is assumed as option A 2.5% of axial load, option B 3% of axial load, option C 3.5% of axial load, option D 4% of axial load. The correct answer is option A 2.5% of axial load. For the stability of a structural part, the weight or anchorage should be option A 1.2 times the minimum overturning moment due to dead load, option B 1.4 times the minimum overturning moment due to dead load, option C sum of A and B, option D none of these. The correct answer is option C sum of A and B. The creep coefficient, that is the ratio of ultimate creep and elastic strain after option A 7 days is 2.2, option B 28 days is 1.6, option C 365 days is 1.1, option D all of the above. The correct answer is option D all of the above. For rolled beams and channels, permissible tensile and compressive stresses does not exceed option A 1400 kg by cm square, option B 1500 kg by cm square, option C 1650 kg by cm square, option D 1800 kg by cm square. The correct answer is option C 1650 kg by cm square. Which one of the following statements is not correct for heading and benching method of tunneling? Option A drilling and marking can be done simultaneously. Option B benching provides a platform for working on heading. Option C removal of muck from the heading is very easy. Option D none of these. The correct answer is option C removal of muck from the heading is very easy. For tunnels exceeding 300 m in length, the grade should be provided below option A 50% of rolling Gradient. Option B 60% of ruling gradient. Option C 75% of ruling gradient. Option D 80% of ruling gradient. The correct answer is option C 75% of ruling gradient. In case of railways, option A detour round the hill is preferred. Option B a open cut is preferred. Option C tunneling is preferred. Option D all the above. The correct answer is option C tunneling is preferred.